Ukoko, what happened today? Bese game ibona kanjani?
Masibuye sibheke igame bafethu. We need to be fair sometimes. At this point, let's blame the coach.
Okay.
Who coach from the starting 11. He's a good coach. Because of we blame you now doesn't mean you are a good coach. But we blame you kule 90 minutes of the game. So let's speak about what in this 90 minutes of the game. So kule 90 minutes of the game, trust me. Why play Usilepe whereas Makaule khona benchini? Ask yourself that question. Now, another thing is that you can see this team from the first half that is playing a low block. What are your plans going to the second half? That's what he didn't have. Now we are going to the second half. Second half, you are introducing Umariko instead of Umakaula still. Look, remember that the Pirates, you know, system. Their first ball starts from Sipo. It goes to Siema. It goes to Makaula. They look for Urile and then really distribute to Apolis. Poor decision making from Apolis. He played very well. But why can't you shoot outside the box? That's what coach was supposed to do. Usilip is not that is not a good player. He is the good player. But this game was way crucial. Yeah. So in terms of mentality, Kasilipe, I think Undwana is still growing. It's a player that is coming from DDC. So we still understand how can you handle this last game, second last game in league. So this was more like a final of the league because of Bexo Mbombela your flex. It was just going to be a celebration if only they won this league. So there are so many things that we need to question the coach. Coach, he's a good coach. He is a good coach, but when it comes to plan B, it doesn't have a plan B. Now you can see that Usibilibili, his legs are tired. Why can't you introduce this young boy, Ufan Royen? Take Ufan Royen, ayodlala ngara. Now at Durban City, we need to give credit to Durban City as well. Look at Durban City from NFD, top 8, Nedbank Cup winners. Second, I think one of the teams that managed to hold the Pirates a league in. So that's itself. It means these players, the Durban City, are not popular player there. These are just standard players. So we need to give credit sometimes to my team. So at some point, Zomane can play Uwatu. Uwatu doesn't have a plan B. Now we are ukuthi udlala ngale trio yakhe. Urile, Umofukeng, Urile, Apolis, Butuma sometimes Mahop. He did well. But another thing they are lacking the communication between Utito no Rile. Both are comfortable ku 10. Akusekho umuntu ofuna ukuya kulawinga. And then urile makaya kulewinga noTito sekakhona. Makaya urile ku 10 noTito sekakhona. Yes ukungena kaMuremi somehow urile uyabuya wedlala u10 but somewhere I think Durban City started the game while idlala because of bathe makunisengena uMoremi bayazi ukuthi no, what do we need to do now? We need to shift sides. Singabavumeli badlala ibhola to the side like uMoremi. uMoremi couldn't get like more balls because bambile. So somehow I think Pirates played well. Zingakhona ke nezinto, we need to think deeper ku football. There might be some mind games ezenzekile lana. The field was overcrowded. The Orlando capacity is around 42,000. And then the field, when you look at it, it was close to double the number. There were no spaces. Somehow as much as he has good communication, that there are still people outside and then it came a delay. They might happen that again as communication what was done because of our players, they felt the pressure and somehow who hold the game as we are Mbombela now who still have a chance to win. But I think for me, I think I will say that the man of the match is players for holding this game to a draw. Because of it was going to be a mess if ever Pirates was scored. Labande Bebelana, after for 14 years, in the league, you get that one goal, you lose a crowd to Orlando. This crowd is not big. And then the number of securities there to Zingane Gunabando. So somehow I still say that I think Unga winning with Pirates was not a bad thing at all. So I think Pirates somehow is a very many perform. So a lot was going to happen. But somehow the Pirates will still win the league, you like it or not.
Before what is it that Durban City did right today?
Durban City is still continuing with the same way abadlala ngayo. Didn't change anything. Durban City, what it just they lacked today, it was just in terms of playing those counters abadlalayo. Durban City was still playing the same system yabo. They start the ball at the back, and then when you're saying that when you pass, it means that maybe u game. Yes, sometimes there are people who will say that Durban City pass, but simply because of they only watch their side of the game. They don't watch the opposite team. So according to me, I think Durban City, they had their plan. We start our ball at the back. After that, we check counter-attacks. Where do we attack? They did try to get those counter-attacks, but I think Pirates was smart enough to keep them in their line. It's not like Durban City was intention was to pack the pass. Durban City wanted to play, but however, the Pirates press side labo. So if you are pressed from your side, where are you supposed to play? And then you're gonna blame me and say that pagi pass and paganga pass, but in the press you, I can't get out of my side.
Yeah.
So that's what happened to Durban City. But Amachans they tried their level best, and then Usiema and Osiema Orlando Pirates. That guy is good. That guy is good.
Okay, as ngicela sivale ngane. Ngicela sivale ngama predictions wakho next week. Who's going to win the league? Who's going to be relegated?
Bro, Pirates I win the league, you like it or not. Pirates will win the league. Leo, we can't dispute it. Pirates is a winning league. We can't run away from it. Pirates is a winning league, and then Orbit College, Sayas Orbit College is struggling. Orbit College, I not defense. Pirates will maybe, but Pirates at this point, I don't know. Like Pirates won't score like those 6-7 goals. No, now it's more like you have to play as champs. You just need to win a match because of imagine if ever Sundowns could have won that game. TS Galaxy, it makes it difficult for them. So somehow they need to thank TS Galaxy because of TS Galaxy. Maybe shy away Sundowns because of a mess. So, but the Pirates is a winning game, but it can be those 2-0 and stuff. And Pirates once they score, you know that when Pirates score first, they won the game. So once Pirates score and then so Siambombela weekend.
Ngicela sivale China mfethu ngiyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho. Thank you my brother. Thank you. Please subscribe.